Hi guys, this is Melon Tech Tips here. In today's video, we cover some background knowledge to continue our Python journey. So first, what is coding? Coding is a process of typing instructions in a coding language that tells the device what to do. For example, we can code a specific set of instructions to tell a computer to add one number to another number. Next, what's a coding language? A coding language, simply put, is just a specific way to write instructions to a computer. For example, there are a lot of coding languages out there, such as Python, Ruby, Rust, JavaScript, and Java. Next, what is Python? Python is a versatile, high-level, general-purpose programming language. And basically, what that means is that it can do a lot of stuff very well. Why am I not saying that is that impressive? It actually is. Most programming languages can only do one thing really well. For example, SQL can do data science and data manipulation very well. But Python can do a lot of things very well. It can do that plus machine learning, automation, and it can even make games very well. Next, who uses Python? People like you and me are using Python right now. And also experts out there too are using Python too. But big companies like Dropbox, Reddit, and Apple are also using Python. In fact, the average Python developer makes 100K. And remember, you can learn Python by watching this course and following all the way through. See you next video.